They say love is easy, but they've never trained together. Because real couples don't just post selfies, they build empires. Anllela Sagra didn't meet someone who completed her. She found someone who challenged her. In the gym, in life, in mindset. That's what real motivation looks like. Two people pushing each other, not to impress, but to evolve. When she's tired, he reminds her why she started. When he's down, she lifts him higher. That's not romance, that's partnership. So don't look for someone perfect. Look for someone disciplined. Someone who believes in growth as much as love. Because in the end, muscles fade, looks change, but the grind you share together, that's forever.